All right, guys, let's go ahead and see what we got here. As y'all see, strange. Y'all see it. It's very strange. All right. So, see what we got here. Hyper coils. Ooh, beautiful, guys. Look at that, beautiful. Man, that looks good, huh? That looks good right there, guys. Oh yeah, that look good. And that look good there. Christmas, baby. Christmas time. Christmas time. You see, this the moment of truth, huh? The moment of truth. And the moment of truth. Yeah. Come with our brackets. All the hardware. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it, guys. Yes, sir. And I believe I ordered me a wrench as well. Now, where's that spanner wrench that's supposed to be up in here? Okay. Very nice, very nice. So see, I done installed one on the monitor right there already. And I just want to show y'all how they made, this here, the single adjustable coilovers for the G-body. $199 for the shock. And you got a spring right here. You get two of those for $130. See, they're the same color to match the monitor over there. You dig? So y'all go check them out. I'm gonna install these and we're gonna let you know how they turn out. But they're pretty nice. Cheaper than QA1. I paid a little bit under $600, so we're gonna try them out. They got a name behind them. Y'all go do y'all research. So yep. But y'all see we looking good over there, pretty good now. Huh? Alright, y'all be good now. Y'all have a great night, gang. Alright, guys. So if you're wondering how I was gonna put the shock on, I had to take my head off first. I took that off. I tell you now, it was very tight. I had to take this head cap off. Y'all see it? Once you get all that off, you're ready for your spring. I like to face the spring with the writing pointing down. You see that? Next, we're gonna put our cap back on. Y'all see it? Screw him right back on there. He was tough getting off of there, and I see why they got some Loctite on there. Why would they put Loctite on here when you got to take this off to install the the what you call it? So we're gonna tighten him back down. He's getting tight already. I'm gonna bring him over to the vise. See how tight I can get him. Alright, what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna spin my shock down to give us some clearance up top. I'm gonna wrap him, because I don't wanna get him scratched up at all. And y'all tell me if there's a proper way to do this. Y'all know we hood rich, so, I mean not hood rich, but we gotta make this stuff work. He kind of stops on his own. Now, what I also did, this is how tight this thing was. You see, I have the shock in the vise. See, it's right here. So I wound up grabbing the shock with these right here. I'll lock it down. That's how tight this thing was. Taking it off, that's what I had to do. So I'm gonna do the same. Tighten it back up. Damn. Y'all see that, gang? You gotta do all this, you hear me? Scratching all our shock up. Luckily, I got insurance on where I could just swap them back out. Damn. I heard my stomach make this sound before. Can't be. Just scratch the lip. Damn. See that? I did scratch the lip. If I could hit him with a little sandpaper. Hit him with a little sand. This right here, you just slide on that. If you slide on that like that, you can pull them up to lock up in here. You see that? And you can put your bushing up too. Yeah. I'm not gonna tighten them right now, guys, because I want them compressed so I can fit under the back of the frame to be able to tub them. So I'm not even worried about that mount because I can't even go down that far. So that's a good thing. We Gucci. But you still see how we thought about that, huh? Look how clean they are. Go ahead, look. Get your look in the car. You see? Look. Same color as the car. It's made for it. It's made for this. Alright guys, so I have a jack stand under our rear end. I took the bolt out of my lower. Alright guys, we're gonna have to pull our brake caliper off so we'll be able to drill a hole on our tab of our rear end to install this bracket. Alright guys, y'all see everything. Y'all see fresh gas tank, fresh coilovers. Upper control arms, lower strap, custom crossover, jaws, turbo. We gotta tighten up. Y'all see lower control arm. But look, this is the main thing that you had to do right here with these coilovers. You know, you got your original stud that comes out your frame right here. But at the bottom, that's where that second bolt comes out at right there. Now I had to drill that top one, so you just want to level it off and then your bracket mounts to it. So that's all we had to do to get these coilovers on here. Wasn't hard at all. So I want to see something else. No, it wasn't hard to mount, baby. This ain't nothing but a little play card, that's it. Ain't nothing serious, baby. Y'all hit that subscribe button for me, comment. Check me out, gang. We coming. You hear me? Huh? Shout out all the people, man. Yeah.